All right, quiz question number 5. Explicit formula for this sequence. So first thing I want to figure out is which formula, right? So out on Schoology, there's this formula sheet, right? It's in a whole bunch of different places, but we are doing an explicit formula, and it could be either arithmetic or geometric. So let's go take a look, right? The difference is arithmetic is add, subtract. That's arithmetic. And then geometric are multiply or divide. So it looks like on this particular question, we're dividing by 2. All right, and with geometric formula, the explicit formula, it says an is the first term times r to the n minus 1. And this r is always what you multiply by. So even though this is a divide 2 pattern, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, which would be 1/2. So when we do the formula, r is going to be 1/2. So we're going to have 1/2 to the n minus 1 power. And then the other part of the formula, a1, is just the first value, which is 10. So our formula should be 10 times 1/2 to the n minus 1. All right, which would be in this guy right there. All right, hopefully that helps.